Vivo launches its new 5G phone under T-Series in India called Vivo T4R, with smart AI features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo T4R 5G features a tall 6.77-inch Full HD Plus quad curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by diamond shield glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo T4R 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.45 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 5700 mAh battery, with 44 watts flash charging support, and it runs on Android 15, based on FunTouch OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.29 by 76.72 by 7.61 millimeters, and it weighs around 183.5 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo T4R 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,499 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 21,499 Indian rupees, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 23,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 5th. In Arctic white and twilight blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo T4R 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.